Bayan ng Del Pilar, ikaw ang pinakamagandang dalaga.
Damian, baka naman kung ano makarating kay Alkalde niyan.
Ano kung makarating kay Alkalde? Binata naman ako. Si Salud, dalaga naman.
Kung sa bagay, si Damian lamang ang taong pinagkakatiwala ni Don Dante.
Si Don Dante ang magiging ninong natin pag kinasal na tayo.
Salod, nandito na naman kami. Mayroon pa ba tayong ulam dyan?
Oo, marami.
Gutom na kami.
Hoy! Bakit si Salud pa ang tinawag mo? Hindi mo ba nakikitang kausap ko siya? Nandiyan na ba si Teresa?
Pasensya ka namang Damian, hindi ka namin nakita eh.
Anong hindi nakita?
Damian, sila mga sakada nagkakatuwang kagabi.
Bakit ba gabi-gabi nandito kayo?
Kasi ito lang pinakamalapit na karinderya sa tinitirhan namin.
Ano? Sige, doon kayo!
Damian naman!
Sige, doon kayo!
Konting trabaho para kumita, pupunta kay Teresa, kay Salod. At makapagbihis, masyado ka naman pakalamiro.
Hoy! Kagabi na unahan mo ko. Pero ngayon, pinagandaan na kita. Titingnan ko lamang kung gaano katatagal.
Mabutit naririto kayo, Hepe. Narinig niyo naman ang sinabi niya. Hinahamon niya ako eh. Hindi niyo ba maaris ang pagsabihan?
Kung ayaw mo lumaban, humingi ka na lang ng tawad sa kanya.
Ba't ako hihingi ng tawad? Sila naman ang...
Tama na! Talagang nagtatapang-tapangan ka, no?
Hindi, Hepe. Nakita niyo naman, hindi nagmula sa akin ang away. Kung sa umpisa pa lang, sinabihan niyo na siya. Hindi na sana nangyari ito.
Wala ka nang galang magsalita ngayon.
Ginagalang ko ang iyong uniforme. Pero nakikita ko, hindi mo ginagalang yung tungkulin.
Talagang hinahamon mo ko, no? Akin ang baril ko. Akin na yung baril ko. Ayaw na kitang makita dito sa bayan ng Del Pilar.
Selmo? Selmo, paano mo ginawa yun?
And now, our feature presentation.
Our Dublin day begins in a garden of bright flowers, with the castle rising behind us. The perfect mix of history, sunshine, and a little sweetness. A quick selfie turns into a cheerful crowd moment, with Dublin Castle and famous landmarks all around us. This city makes sightseeing feel wonderfully social. After exploring, we settle beside the castle for cold pints, juicy burgers, and a toast to good company. One shared table, 3 big smiles, and a very convincing reason to stay for another round. The Castle Tavern brings the atmosphere right to the table, where every laugh becomes part of the afternoon. Good food, lively streets, and new friends make this stop impossible to forget. The best travel memories are often unplanned, like sharing a selfie over burgers while the city carries on around you. Our server joins the moment with a warm smile, while golden fries and fresh burgers wait on the wooden table. Then the day takes an unexpected turn as we step back into the square for a playful performance. The crowd is ready, and so are we. A few dance steps bring the whole square to life, with the castle watching from behind. Travel feels better when you are willing to be a little silly. We find the rhythm, hold on to the moment, and let the applause become part of the adventure. No perfect choreography required. From garden views to pub laughs and spontaneous dancing, Dublin gives us a day worth remembering. What would you add to this itinerary?
First, when there's nothing but a slow, glowing dream that your fear seems to hide deep inside your mind. All alone I have cried silent tears full of pride in a world made of steel, made of stone. Where I
Thank you, folks.